Today's topic is my ambition is life. You know that today is the Saturday and just we are started a spoken class at that day itself. Topic is already I have told that ambition. You know ambition. Ambition means just close the door. Go and close the door. Ambition, what is the ambition? First of all, you should know that what is the ambition. Ambition is nothing but it is a curiosity to learn anything. It is a curiosity to achieve anything. It is a more curiosity to become anything. So every person have a different goal. Every person have a different motives. Every person have a different dreams. And according to your dreams, you have to work on regularly, consistent, and hardship. As you know that we are gathered here on speaking. The topic is ambition. My ambition is life. You know that every person have a different aim. My aim is once I was at your age, 11th and 12th classes. I want to be an engineer, and I work for it also. I have given examinations, UPTU, and I got ranks little more than. That's why I can't get a government colleges. So I choose another routes to be engineer. For becoming engineer, I give a test in TN board and crack that good ranks, and I just joined the engineering colleges. Name you know that Annamalai University. This is my college name, and I have worked for years there regularly and hardship. And there are many times comes whether I cannot handle, but with my whole devotions and hardship and persistent effort, I can deal everything. Even hard times, sometimes we have a lot of problems, sometimes we have a lot of difficulties. But you know that warrior always changes the everything, and like the warriors, because we are away from 2,000 kilometers from our home, and there are a lot of challenges there in everything. Even you can say that ascent, you can say that after passing the 12th class, I just joined the schooling. There are problems, there are a lot of problems is happening there, but we cannot give up. There are many friends there who can say that there is many problems having, but we cannot give up easily, and we just work on, focus on, and slowly we overcome on it. We victory on that problems, and little bit slowly it passes, and we have become an engineer. After we completed engineering, I have 3 or 4 years. After 3.5 years work in industrial areas, and a lot of experiences gathered from there. But after completing 4 years, I just turned my goal and become a teacher. You know that engineer is not only a work in a associated field. Engineer can do anything. Engineers can make road. Engineer can make computer. Engineer can make everything. And engineer can have a creativity. And engineer always want to be learn everything at every time and any age. So engineer can always develop all the facilities that facilitate the general peoples. So we can say that, and as well as one motto is also that engineer can improve the social structure of the human lives. At last, this is my aim, to improve the problems of social peoples, normal peoples, and improve the problems of social, we can say that economical persons and like that. So Nowadays, we are working as a teachers, you know that, and I am a principal of ITI college, you know that, in my route. But beyond my route, I have chosen the studying English, you know that. I am here in Dildarnagar working like that. So, you can say that engineering is a field, and lot of engineer can become IAS. Lot of engineer can changes their routes and got the top post in that era, and in that case you can say that route in that field, in that branches. Lot of engineer can crack the nowadays engineering. Lot of engineer can passes the lot of passes and enter the you can say that politics, you know, politics. So you can say that engineer is not only a word you can modify it easily. Engineer is a word to learn anything, to learn and to command anything. Okay. So I want to tell you all, those are here, those are present here. Whatever your aim, silent, don't talk. Whatever your aim, you have to work on it. You have to give time on it. You have to always ready to face the challenges. Likewise, suppose there are many students sitting here, they are always demotivated by other students. They are always fearing, I cannot handle, whether this is very hard stream, whether this is very hard for me. Already they are decided. But you are a student, you have a lot of energy, you are a young girl, hello, just silent. You are a young and never thought like that ki these things will not happen, this thing not commanded by yourself, this thing is not controlled by yourself. You can do anything because you are young and you have a lot of energy, and there is no diversion in your life, in your age at that time, basically. So you work on it, whatever you want. You do what you want. Maybe sometime lot of obstacles, lot of problem happen in your life. Maybe it may economical problem, maybe it may be health problem. But warrior never left the field. They always try to get their aim in any moment, and or even it is odd or even. You can understood? Okay. Now I want to tell that it is your turn to speak on that.